I know it was huge, wasn't it? And we're about to get the last of it up. And hopefully all the grass underneath will pop right back up. I think it will.
And you can see what it used to be.
You know, this grass here is all stunted from being blocked from light and smothered, but it will probably turn out to be the strongest grass in the yard because it has all this fertilizer from the manure.
Yeah, it actually is stronger than this grass.
We're knocking out this job. Some jobs you can knock out, some you have to work away. I feel like with this one we did both and got it done pretty quickly considering that we were doing other big jobs at the same time. This was a huge pile of manure and now it is gone. Okay, we're doing something for the first time. I've talked about it a lot. I'm gonna start a grazing rotation on this pasture. I'm gonna go really easy on it and start with one corner. Get these cows some fresh grass. They really want it this morning. I threw them some hay this morning and they just looked at me and mooed at the grassy field. I mean, they're over here. There's some grass in there and they're looking at this. So we're gonna give them a little portion of it today. I'm using these pigtail posts. These are really easy to work with. These are brand new. I bought them last year for this purpose. I'm gonna just start by running this wire up to about where that walnut tree is right there. Actually, here's the end of it, and that's where I need to go. So I need to get another piece of wire. All right, just a little trip down to the home farm store and back. Unfortunately, I'm out of poly wire. I thought I had more. I've just got aluminum wire, which is super conductive, but it's not very durable. So I'll have to get another roll of poly wire. She knows what's happening. I have a feeling she knows what I'm doing. She's like, get on with it. I'm ready. I know you're ready. Give me about 3 minutes, maybe 5. So the thought here is I'm going to put them in this corner probably just for a day, maybe 2 days, let them work on it, but not let them overgraze it. I'll get them off that as soon as they've grazed that down. Honestly, it'll probably be just today. Are you ready, girl? This would be like the first rotation. Are you ready? Come on. You just going to stand there and stare? The gate's open. There you go. There you go. That's what you've been asking for this whole time. Oh, he sees. He's like, I'm not missing out on that. You got a beautiful view and a wonderful, beautiful spring day. I'll just show you. Here's the whole pasture. Right now they have this corner. The fence runs from here up to there, and they're boxed in by the outside fence. And then I'm gonna leave this fence and I'll put another fence out here and I'll let them have from that fence to this fence next. All right, they've got water still. They've still got access to that back pasture and hay. So I'm gonna leave them. I'll check back on them later. And I need to not forget to turn the fence on, which I'll do right now. This day is winding down. I'm gonna fertilize my blueberries with Hollytone. It's the only thing I know that you're supposed to use on them that you can get commonly available. And it is, it makes this soil more acidic and it provides fertilizer for growth. little grease fire going on, girl.
I know. It's these pork chops. They just have so much fat on them.
Those are from our pigs, huh?
Yeah, they're like some little leftover bits.
Wait a second, this is a familiar scene. This happened to the Rhodes when they were cooking American guinea hog.
Pork chops.
Pork chops on their grill. Because they were guinea hogs.
Well, here we go. We'll just call them blackened pork chops rather than grilled, and it will all be okay.
They do smell good though. I need to get this dished out some. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. The goats are in the barn and I don't want it to flood. Those of you who have seen me do this over the past few years on video are going to be just tickled when I get a tractor in here and dig it all out. Just not there yet. That doesn't look like much, but it will keep it dry for now. Look how full she is.
I know, but she just looks good.
She does look good.
She's gained her weight back. Look at her with the mouth full.
Yeah. How do you think the pasture looks? Is this done, or do you think they could be staying here through the night and maybe a little tomorrow?
Well, through the night, but they'll need to be moved tomorrow.
Okay, they pretty much knocked it down.
Yeah, they did.
There's a few long patches. I wish they'd hit those harder.
Yeah, they don't like them because that's where they pooped.
This is the same day we got the goats, but I just couldn't fit all that footage in. So I've put all the other stuff we did in this video, and I'm pretty tickled with what we got done today.
And our cow looks so good. She's due July 9th.
When is he due? Soon?
Next week, probably.
Pretty
Yeah.
soon.
Yeah, we're butchering him earlier than we would, just because we want her to bond with us. So.
He's not too young to butcher.
No. He's like, but usually people would grow out a steer like 2 years, so he'll just be over a year old.
18 months a lot of times.
Yeah, it's fine. You can do whatever you want. That's what's so lovely. So we'll probably have the butcher come pick him up next week or the week after. I know a lot of people worry, oh, cows need a herd mate, but she'll be fine. She'll bond with us, and we'll spend a lot of time with her, and then she'll have a calf. So she'll have a herd mate.
They're not moving.
No, they've been wanting this grass so bad. They wouldn't even touch the hay.
Yeah, I gave him this morning. It's still up there. He ate a little bit, but she stood at the gate and waited. Well, this has been a fun day, guys. It's been another great day on the homestead, and we're shutting this show down.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.